चोट नहीं लगती, बहुत जेंटल होते हैं ये, लेकिन बहुत बड़े होते हैं ये. And it was very, मतलब for me, this film is very special. Like I said, मूछ लगा के wife पहचानती नहीं है. The premise of the film was outlandish, but I thought the thought is beautiful कि एक मर्द उस लड़की को, and I believe in this, that a girl likes something and he's not that thing, but he tries his best to become that thing. And I think that's a lovely feeling. I think the film was based on that. वो उसको वो दे जो उसको लड़का अच्छा लगता था. So it's trying to fulfill a girl's dream man by a man who may not be the dreamiest man in the world.
Yeah.
So for me it was a very beautiful film with the director who had made Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge. For him it was Aditya Chopra. For him it was a very different kind of film. And ये सब पैंट शर्ट पहन के क्या lighting up your lives. I think Suri Punjab Power lighting up your life ji. I love this film.
It also says Japan Fun Fair, and I do want to ask you any memories of going to Japan, because it's one of the most beautiful, mystical countries of the world.
पहले तो मैं ये भ्रम तोड़ दूं, ये यशराज स्टूडियो में शूटिंग हुई है. हम जापान बिल्कुल नहीं गए. ये जापानी आदमी हमारे यहाँ पर आए. और आसपास भी अगर आप देखोगे तो ज़्यादा जापानी लोग नहीं हैं, इंडियंस ही हैं, और थोड़े आउट ऑफ फोकस हैं. But I've been to Japan and I went, you know, I just want to show off a little. One of the first Hindi films to release in Japan was Raju Ban Gaya Gentleman. So I'd gone to Japan long time back, and I wanted even to take Ahsoka there and release it. So I went for Ahsoka many years later. It's a lovely place. But ये Japan
नहीं है, ये दिल्ली. I think this is Yashraj Studios, right here.
अंधेरी में है.
अंधेरी, this is अंधेरी. But you have to tell us, थोड़ा सा और show off करने की इजाजत तो है. You've traveled all over the world. Is it possible for you to perhaps pick your favorite place? Singapore. अरे, now look दंगे आ जाएंगे. Sorry, tough question. Sorry to put you in that spot.
No. ऐसा कोई spot नहीं है. मैंने I don't give a damn. मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. No, मेरी city. I actually सारी दुनिया घूम के I like being at home. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. मुझे सबसे अच्छा लगता है अपने कमरे में, अपने बाथरूम में. मुझे सबसे अच्छा वहीं पे लगता है कि यार ये ठीक है, तो फेमिलियर सा है, अपने जैसा है, अपना फीलिंग है. And God has been kind. I've traveled all over the world to the best of hotels in the world, to the best of places you can imagine. I never even thought मेरे साथ ये हो सकता है, और अच्छा लगता है मुझे. I really appreciate lovely places. I like Dubai a lot. I used to like London a lot when I used to spend time there, because मुझे वो grey weather बड़ा अच्छा लगता है, ठंडा.
Oh really?
Yeah, I find that very nice. Not many people appreciate it. And shooting wise, where I've been and I've enjoyed, of course Switzerland I've really enjoyed.
Of course, yeah.
And बाकी जो cities से आप, वो सारी की सारी cities मुझे अच्छी लगती. Singapore.
Kyrgyzstan. Kurdistan.
यार वहाँ ना मुझे, I have to come to Kyrgyzstan यार. I have to come.
Bandra.
Which one?
Kurdistan. Kurdistan.
Kyrgyzstan, not Kazakhstan. Kyrgyzstan. Yes, inshallah I will come there. I want to come to Kyrgyzstan. Thank you, sir.
What did you say? Turkey. Istanbul.
Oh, Istanbul is one of my favorite. I've not spent time. I love Istanbul. Yeah, yes, I come inshallah.
There's somebody from Egypt.
I will go Egypt. I'll come to Istanbul, then go to Kyrgyzstan, and go to Singapore. फिर मैं अपने घर आ जाऊँगा मन्नत.
We have one more image. अगर हम eyes on the screen, please.